How to become a David Allen Capital independent broker. If you're on this video, you are trying to figure out how to go ahead and get signed up with him. The first thing I need to say is I am not a part of David Allen Capital, just like you're trying to become. I am an independent broker with them. But when I went to get signed up, I actually had an issue getting signed up on their page. So I want to make this video to make sure you don't have the exact same issue that I did and then have to go out and look for a bunch of information. So the short version is just down below this video, you're going to see a link that takes you to this page right here. Now, here's a little 5-minute VSL, 5-minute explainer video that's going to go over it. If you want more in depth, you can go into this 24-minute overview video, and a lot of questions are answered here. This is one of my favorite parts of why it's such a no-brainer to become an independent broker for them. The $500 best offer guarantee. When I go to a potential client and say, you can't beat these rates, and if you're able to, they'll offer a 500% guarantee, or sorry, a $500 guarantee, and they've actually never had to pay it out, is a really powerful hook. So one of the things I love about them, whether you're already a broker and looking for better offers for your clients, or maybe you're looking to refer customers to David Allen Capital, whatever it might be, all you need to do is come here down here and click join for free, or right there, join for free. Obviously, watch the video. You can go through this page. You can go through all of this. I won't go through all of it because you can do that yourself. Again, the link is right down below this video to get to this page and get all the information. But once you get to this page, now you're going to have to fill out all the basic information. It's completely free to do it. My issue was, when I tried to sign up, this right here was blank. So there was no enroller ID. And unfortunately, the way they set it up is you can't submit without an enroller ID. I was trying to just submit it and be like, okay, they'll assign me on the back end. But there was no option to do that. So I had to go out and search for someone's enroller ID, which was surprisingly hard to find. So I wanted to make sure you had an easy way, if you're looking up this exact question, how you could do it. Again, use the link down below. My enroller ID will automatically be entered. You can enter it manually, but it will automatically be entered if you just use the link below, fill all this out, and submit it. After that, it is important to make sure you get certified. That's going to be a big difference in the amount of commissions you can earn. Again, all that's covered right here. You can still do it without being certified. Anyways, David does a phenomenal job explaining this. I've actually loved my experience with the company so far, helping other brokers find them and get connected to them, and starting to do some client outreach now too. Couldn't recommend them enough. So go down, check it out, sign up, use my enroller ID, which will automatically be added by using that link down below the video. And I'll see you as another independent broker of David Allen Capital.